Did I take the wrong bus? Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Is this bus going to Green Park?
Green Park? I don't think so.
Really? The sign at the bus stop said number 12.
This is number 12, but it goes to Riverside, not Green Park.
Oh no, I think I made a mistake.
Don't worry. Let's figure it out together.
Thank you. I'm not from this city.
I can tell. Where are you trying to go exactly?
I have a meeting near Green Park at 3 o'clock.
Okay, what time is it now?
It's 2:15.
That's not too bad. We still have time.
I hope so. I'm already a little nervous.
It's okay. Buses like this are confusing sometimes.
So this bus doesn't stop near Green Park at all?
No, this route goes along the river, then to the shopping center.
I really got the wrong one then.
It happens. There are 2 buses with similar numbers here.
2 buses? That explains it.
Yes, number 12 and number 12A go in different directions.
I didn't even notice the letter A.
Most visitors don't. The sign is quite small.
So, what should I do now?
There are a few options, actually.
Okay, tell me.
First, you could get off at the next stop and wait for 12A.
How long would that take?
About 10 minutes, I think. The buses come every 15 minutes.
That could work. What's the next stop called?
It's called Market Street. It's coming up soon.
And the other option?
You could take the metro instead. It's faster.
Is there a metro station near here?
Yes, right next to Market Street stop.
How much does the metro cost?
$2.50, I believe. You can pay with a card or cash.
I only have a bus card right now.
That's fine. Most metro stations accept cards too.
Okay, that sounds easier then.
It really depends on how much time you want to save.
I don't want to be late for the meeting.
Then I'd say take the metro. It's more direct.
How many stops to Green Park by metro?
Just 2 stops, I think. Maybe 7 or 8 minutes.
That's much faster than the bus.
Exactly, and it runs every 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll get off at Market Street with you.
Sounds good. We're almost there now.
Thank you for helping me. I was starting to panic a little.
No problem. I remember getting lost here too, my first week.
Really? You're not from this city either?
No, I moved here about a year ago. My name is Joey, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Joey. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. This is our stop.
Okay, let's get off.
This way, the metro entrance is just past that coffee shop.
I see it now. It's bigger than I expected.
Yes, it connects to 3 different lines.
Which line do I need for Green Park?
The blue line, direction, Central Station.
Blue line? Got it. Where do I buy a ticket?
There are machines right at the entrance.
Do they have English instructions?
Yes, you can change the language on the screen.
That's helpful. Let's go check.
Here we are. Just touch the screen to start.
Okay, it's asking for my destination.
Type Green Park, and it will show the price.
It says $2.50, just like you said.
Perfect. You can pay by card there.
Wait, it's not accepting my card.
Really? Let me see.
It keeps saying payment failed.
Maybe the machine only accepts contactless cards.
Oh, mine isn't contactless, I think.
Try this machine instead. It looks newer.
Okay, let's try again.
Insert the card and wait for the light.
It's working now. The ticket is printing.
Great, that wasn't too bad.
Thank you for your patience with me.
It's fine. These things happen with machines sometimes.
So now I just go through the gate?
Yes, put your ticket in the slot, then take it back.
Got it. Which platform for the blue line?
Platform 2 on the right side.
Are you taking the metro too?
Yes, actually, I'm going one stop past Green Park.
Oh, good. So we can go together?
Exactly. This way, follow the blue signs.
How often do the trains come?
Usually every 4 or 5 minutes.
That's good. I don't want to wait long.
Don't worry, look, one is arriving already.
Perfect timing.
Let's get on. It's not too crowded right now.
I'm glad. I don't like crowded trains.
Same here. It gets busy later in the afternoon.
How many stops until Green Park?
2 more after this one.
Okay, what's the next stop called?
Riverside Station, then Green Park.
Riverside. That's where the bus was going.
That's right. Small world, isn't it?
I guess I would have ended up near here anyway.
True, but this way is much faster.
Definitely. I feel much less stressed now.
That's good to hear.
Can I ask you something else?
Of course.
Do you know if there's a coffee shop near Green Park?
Yes, there's one right outside the station exit.
Perfect. I might grab a coffee before my meeting.
Good idea. It helps to relax a little first.
Exactly. Meetings make me a bit nervous.
What's the meeting about, if you don't mind me asking?
It's a job interview, actually.
Oh, that's exciting. What kind of job?
A marketing position at a small company.
That sounds interesting. I hope it goes well.
Thank you. I was worried I'd be late because of the bus.
Well, now you have extra time for coffee.
True. Maybe this mistake was actually lucky.
See, everything worked out in the end.
It really did. This is Riverside Station now, right?
Yes, one more stop after this.
I'm getting a little excited now.
That's a good sign. Nervous but excited is normal.
I hope I remember everything I want to say.
I'm sure you'll do fine. You seem prepared.
I practiced a lot last night.
That helps a lot. Preparation makes a big difference.
Is this our stop coming up?
Yes, Green Park is next.
Great, I can see the sign already.
The doors will open on the left side.
Thank you again for everything, Joey.
You're welcome, Emma. Good luck with your interview.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help today.
No problem at all. I'm glad I could help.
Maybe I'll see you around the city sometime.
Maybe. This city is smaller than it seems.
True. Okay, this is my stop.
Have a great interview, Emma.
Thanks, Joey. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.